muddy down in here. Alright guys, what is going on? Well, we're navigating this tricky bit. Figure I'll let you guys know what's been going on. So I know in the last couple videos I was talking about how I had a race coming up and I wasn't feeling super great for it. There it is. And so I actually had the race and it was awesome, super fun race. It was a hare and hound out in Nightingale, Nevada, round one of the Brand Series called the Tumbler 100. I know that I said I'd be posting a video of the race, and obviously this is not the race. So what happened was my old trusty GoPro Hero 8 let me down. My GoPro let me down. And unfortunately, that wasn't the first time, but fortunately, that will be the last time. Oh my god, these books are full of mud. Whoa! Okay. I ended up picking up a DJI Action 5, or the Pro 5, High Pro, whatever. So hopefully it looks a little bit better. Oh. But yeah, back to the race. So super fun. Unfortunately, the GoPro didn't record anything. I don't know what happened. I turned it on, pressed the record button, rode out to the starting line, and when I finished, I had zero footage on the GoPro. The race was awesome. It was super fun. I'd never raced out there in Nightingale, and great course they set up. It was a hare and a hound, and it was 100 miles. I did the first lap. I think it was like 48, 50 miles. And that was it. I could have done the second loop. I'm kind of bummed I didn't, but I had other shit going on that I had to get done. So I ended up only doing the one lap, but that was enough to get a good idea of where my fitness and endurance was, bike setup and all that. So I'm actually super happy with everything in terms of fitness. I was able to ride really well for an hour and 38 minutes. I would say 80 to 90% of my max was the riding I did, like my max pace, max speed, max riding skills. So super happy with that. Able to maintain that for so long. I came out 128 out of, I want to say it was 178, 179. So beat about 50 people. So happy about that. I'm not a person that's gonna go out and rip in place, you know, top 5. It's just for funsies and kind of pushing myself. Come on. But overall, the race was phenomenal. Super bummed I couldn't do the second loop. Because that would have been fun and a really good test of my endurance, but overall happy with the majority of it. I did learn in that hour and 38 time period that I need to continue to play with the clickers. The bike felt really good for the first hour or so. Then I started getting to speed, and the suspension felt so harsh. So, doing that today got quite quicker. But, you know, things you wouldn't know unless you're going race pace for 2 hours, you know? Like, it feels good for the hour I'm out here cruising around, hour and a half, kind of just doing some training, quote unquote training, and feels good here, and then you go put it in the racing area where you're racing hard for hours. You find the weaknesses in your bike. I also realized I need to get comp savers because my hands were completely blistered. That's why this video is so late I couldn't really ride. Because of the blisters, my hands hurt so bad. Whoa, look at the big old vulture. Crow and then a big old vulture. No, that's a hawk. If you guys can see that, it's a big old hawk. Yeah, I got a really good start, surprisingly. Did a big bomb start. Rose by class. So, Pro A, B, C for my day. And all one big line. Okay. This is go up and around. Oh. But yeah, big old bomb start was super fun. Had a pretty decent start actually. I was on the far outside line and was able to get up and around a lot of people because it bottlenecked into a right-hand turn. So I was kind of able to go off course and kind of get around some people and get a good start. And then of course, as soon as it opens it up, I'm getting past, but it was still fun. A lot of like sandy wash beds. And so we'd had a bunch of rain and snow. And man, I tell you, that made such a difference. There was minimal dust during the race. And then it made those wash beds really awesome. They were holding up really well in terms of, come on, we can do it. Let's get through this. Yeah. In terms of going fast, and then the berms were awesome. It was super fun. So overall, really fun race. Really good opening for the season. So that was good. I was pretty happy with that. And now I'm super stoked to have this new action camera. I'm hoping it turns out good. It seems to be. I was watching a lot of YouTube, right? Like I don't usually do TV all that much. I just watch YouTube because I have very niche hobbies that aren't on normal TV. So, seeing a lot of other people ride them, you know, not sponsored fucking reviews that people put out where they're giving the camera. You can't trust those. So, I just watched a lot of people who just use the camera and ride and just looked at their quality of footage, you know, and feel like, come on, there we go. Felt like it was a good deal for the price. I had bought a new action camera. I don't even know when that GoPro Hero 8 came out. Like I was saying before we got so rudely interrupted by that snow, that I'm not a camera guru. Whoa! Saved it. Oh, speaking of saves, I had some of the best saves in my riding career at this race. Towards the end when I was getting nice and tired, there was a couple, you know, silly mistakes from getting tired. And, man, wish I could watch those back because they were impressive. So, overall the race went super well, very happy with it. Looking forward to the next one. Next one's gonna be a sprint enduro, which I'm actually really excited to try. I think that'll be really fun. It's out kind of in the same area. So, That'll be end of next month, if you want to stick around to wait for that. Son of a bitch! Alright, let's just get down to the main. Alright, while I struggle with this, I'll catch back to you guys in a second. And I'm really sorry I didn't get any video footage. I love watching race footage, so if you're like me, I'm sorry, and we're looking forward to it. I apologize. But some other good came out of it though, you know? I'm excited about the camera, it's pretty good. Have something newer, whole new platform to learn, whole new platform to enjoy, hopefully. DJI seems to have their stuff together. There goes, oh yeah. Oh. Had a feeling that was gonna happen. Whew, all right. Oh, thank God we weren't going very fast. Ow, that hurt my shoulder. Oh, I just watched that video back. That was the lamest fall ever. Fucking snow. Oh, that hurt the side and the shoulder, but I think we're all right. Gonna take a breather for a hot second. That didn't feel fabulous. Hit me a little hard. Straight to the dome. Alrighty. I'll pick it back when I've recouped. I just realized this is the first crash I've had on this bike since I got it. That's pretty damn good. Yeah, I feel fine. Dirt bikes, they're so fun. Wouldn't change it for anything. Starts right back up. God, I fucking love this bike. Alright, let's go do some exploring. Oh, that did not sound good. Everything looks fine. Let's try that again. Rock the chain. Debating turning around because I think we're like 500 feet and more in elevation over here, so I might turn around and go back down the hill and head back to the usual spot. I'm just trying to get out of the snow, man. I just want to fucking ride. You know, I'm just thinking, if I was standing up, that probably wouldn't have happened. Always stand up as much as you can when you ride, because you can catch yourself. You can make the bike move underneath you instead of you just going down with the bike. Then you can just hop off if you're going down. Okay. This is the problem I have with these fucking handguards. Perfect example. So in that 400 mile review video that I did, so with that crash, it snapped my zip tie that I have holding this to this. And so this is what happens if you hit brush or something and you don't have those zip ties. They fold in and it compresses your clutch lever. So you gotta put a zip tie around here. Hopefully I'm filming with my chin well. Zip tie through here and around this to hold that in, or you just get different hand guards, but I like these hand guards other than that, because that's the problem, right? And then it's stuck and it's pulled in. So do yourself a favor, get some extra strength zip ties and zip tie those if you're factory, if they didn't come with it. So pro tip, that's what I did. Because now they don't do that. This is what happens when you don't have it, or when you have a zip tie on there. It can't bend back and hit your brake. Because I was having that in the very first race I did. The brush out here would hit and it would just grab your front brake. Super dangerous. Pull your clutch in. So get those zip tied. If they're not, check your bike. Because mine didn't come with them. So anyway, back to riding. Yeah. Well, that's gonna be the end of this ride. Let me know how you guys like the video quality on this. Let me know about the audio as well. Hopefully it all works out. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you on the next one.